Good evening, everybody. Welcome to your Thursday version of the Posh Premiere. As I promised, tonight's segment is going to feature, again, some plus size items. I want to remind you to take advantage of the special. $20 or less, you get it for half price. All you have to do is bundle it, send me an offer, and I'll accept it. And then you also can use the code that I gave you to get an additional $10 off. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The button is right here. It's pink and it looks like an arrow. Go ahead and press that and that makes you a subscriber. I'm going to get right into the clothing now. Thanks for being here. First up is this cute little lace dress. Well, it's not lace. It's like a lace overlay. All right. It has a lining in it. The lining is the same color as the dress. It's black. It has the spaghetti straps. It also has a hidden zipper in the back. Let's see. It has kind of like an empire waist. And I think this would hit right at the knee. This is a size 2X, and this is by Forever 21. Let me show you the width of it. And it does have some stretch to it. You can get this in the closet. I think this is one of the ones that qualify for 50% off, but you won't know unless you go in the closet and take a look. Next up is this velvet party dress is what I'm calling it. This too has spaghetti straps. It's just a straight up and down dress. This little purple part is the velvet, and then the rest is just kind of like a silky type fabric. Look, this is the width of it, and it has stretch in it. This dress is by Forever 21 Plus, and it's a 1X. Here's the back. And in the closet, you'll find another one that's green. It's exactly like this, but it has green where you see purple on this one. Very cute. Next up are these shorts. Now, I'm calling these Daisy Duke shorts because they are pretty short. These have stretch in them. They're by No Boundaries, and these are a size 15. Take a look at the little eyelet at the bottom. Isn't that cute? So that's what's on the pocket. So that'll show when you have the shorts on. Size 15, No Boundaries. These two are in the closet. Go and get them. Next up are these leggings. I'm calling them leggings. Now these are kind of like a nylon fabric, very, very stretchy. They're like the skinny jean type. They have a little detail in the front and on down the leg, and it carries over to the back. See that? They're stretch. These are by Shine Star, and they're extra large. Now it has this little fastener in the front, and it's just a short zipper. Shine Star jeans, size XL, available in my Poshmark closet. Next is this really cute top. Look at this. It's got a tropical feel to it. It has spaghetti straps, which are adjustable. You see the little adjustable part right there. It's pleated at the bottom. This is the back view. That's the front view. I'll stretch it out so you can see. This is really cute with the little peplum pleated part. This is by Shein, and it's a size 3XL. Available in the closet. Look at this. This has to be my favorite. This is really, really cute. It has the little high neck with the tie. See that? It's just plain up and down, but vibrant stripes, just beautiful. Beautiful stripes, beautiful coloring. This is a size 2X, and this is by Arabella. Now, this is going to fall more like a tunic type top. But this is pretty. You can wear this with anything. Arabella. Next up are some distressed jeans. You see the distress, it's in both knees. See that? These are extremely stretchy as well. These are by Old Navy. These are the Rockstar Super Skinny Jeans. They're high rise and they have secret slim pockets. So underneath the pockets, there's like an extra slimming feature to these jeans. These are by Old Navy. That's the back. And the legs are just pretty straight legs at the bottom. But these are very slimming. Next up is this maxi dress. This too is very, very vibrant. Let me show you this one. This has the crossover front. And it has the fancy little sleeves on it. Not sleeves, straps. Okay. Let me back up so you can see. And it has this little, it's not really a split, but it kind of gives the appearance of one. Then the bottom has the stripes going, you know, the other way. Here's the back. All the strappiness going on with this one. This is cute. This is a size, look on the hanger. This is a size 3XL. It doesn't have a brand name on the inside, but I'm going to guess that it's Shein. It's a size 3XL, and it's black and white in case the camera doesn't show it, you know, correctly. But it's like a maxi length dress. I think it's really cute. You can dress it up or down. Next up is this cute little tracksuit. This is by Shein. It has the crop top. It's got a little silkiness to it. That's the sleeve. There's the other sleeve. So that's one piece of it. And then the other piece is these track pants. They have elastic all around. They have pockets. See that? Pockets on both sides. This is the bottom. The bottom looks kind of like the sleeves look on the crop top. But this is by Shein, and this is a size, let's see. This is a size 1XL. Really cute. Crop top, track pants. That's how the back looks. All right, next up, let's see. This is a cute top. This gives you like a tropical vibe, I would say. Has cute little straps. See the straps? It has like a peplum going on. Has kind of a cold shoulder look. This is the back. This is by Shein, and this is a size 3XL. I'll show it to you on the hanger too, because you might be able to get like a better view of it when it's hanging. See that? So this is available, and this is one of the specials, I think. Don't hold me to it, but you have to go to the closet to look. Then we have this. This is another duster. I showed you one in the last segment, but this is more of your typical looking duster. There's no closure on it. It's just kind of like straight up and down. Flowered look. Splits on the side. See that? The back is just plain. You could use this as a cover up. You could use this as a top with a belt around it and maybe a little tank top underneath it. It hangs a little bit extra in the front, I think. And this one is by Truth. And this is a size 3X by Truth. Available in the closet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have to show you for tonight. Hop on over to the closet, get you, some of these deals. Don't let these deals pass you by. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on next Sunday. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.